In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain from NameCheap, point the domain's DNS to Cloudflare name servers, and configure everything you need for it to function smoothly, including setting up SSL and caching in Cloudflare. By following these simple steps, you'll ensure your website is secure, reliable, and performs optimally. Let's begin by purchasing a domain from NameCheap. Start by heading over to NameCheap's website. You'll find a search bar prominently displayed on the home page. Type in the domain name you have in mind, ensuring it's not only catchy but also representative of your brand or business. Once you find an available domain that suits your needs, add it to your cart and proceed to checkout. Here, you'll be prompted to either sign into your account or create a new one. After filling in the necessary billing information and confirming your purchase, you'll be the proud owner of a new domain. The next step is to point your new domain's DNS to Cloudflare name servers. To do this, you'll want to navigate to the dashboard of your NameCheap account. Look for your newly purchased domain and click on Manage. Once you're in the domain list section, you'll need to locate the name servers option. From the drop-down menu, select Custom DNS. You'll now need to enter the Cloudflare name servers. These are typically given to you when you set up your Cloudflare account and can be found in your Cloudflare dashboard. Update the records, and don't forget to click Save Changes to apply your new settings. Now it's time to add your domain to Cloudflare. Start by logging into your Cloudflare account. On the home page of your dashboard, there should be an option to add a site. Enter your domain name here, click Add Site, and then select a plan that fits your needs. Cloudflare offers both free and various premium plans. Once you've chosen your plan, Cloudflare will scan your DNS records. The system will display them for verification. Ensure they look correct and click Continue to finalize the process. Cloudflare will now provide you with 2 name servers. This confirms that your domain is now associated with Cloudflare. To complete the process, configure your domain's DNS records by setting the hostinger hosting IP. In your Cloudflare dashboard, navigate to the DNS tab. For a seamless connection to your hosting provider, locate or edit the existing A record for your domain and update it with the correct IP address from Hostinger. This crucial step ensures your domain knows exactly where your site is being hosted. Finally, it's important to configure SSL and caching to enhance security and performance. Within Cloudflare, you'll find the SSL TLS tab. Set your SSL option to full for security between Cloudflare and your server, depending on your needs. For caching, toggle over to the Speed tab and activate the various caching options to ensure your website loads efficiently for visitors. And there you have it. Your domain is not only purchased and connected to Cloudflare, but it's optimized for safety and speed. By following these instructions, your website is now ready to go live, offering your visitors a secure and efficient online experience.